Welcome to Prime Loan again, guys. Today I'm coming with another war video, our war with night terrors. So let's move to the first base. Let's see how base 1 is look like. So there is a B1. So the B1 is not the headquarters 17 max, and it can weapons are near together, so it is easily walkable base. And one thing I show you, Space Ape introduced the new mode in cyber war. You can try the hard mode in cyber war as well, just like we do in prime war. So I'm going to beat this base through hard mode effects. 25,680 is the XP reward of base 1, and I'm going to beat this base with hard mode effect. This is the new effect launched by the Space Ape in Cyber War as well. Just like we are performing in Prime War, the hard mode effects, same in Cyber War, we are going to use this effect as well. First deploy the Skylink and Jetfire. I am going to destroy the first left side of the weapons with Skylink and Jetfire. Then I drop my all squad to the left side. Using blaster ability to the left launcher. Using Skylink's ability to the right side of the motor and laser as well. As you see that Skylink is the keyboard on B1 because the weapons are near together, so easily destroy with few abilities. Now jump to the headquarters with E1. 2 jump to the headquarters and destroy the all weapon which is near to the headquarters as well. And as you see that I did not deploy my silver boat as well. I am coming with this base with 7 boats. So combiner and outpost bot are almost gone. So this is the B1. I am going to beat with hard mode effect as well. So that is the B1 I destroy with hard mode effects with 7 bar. As you see, 15 point with normal fight and the 5 point extra with hard mode effects. Let's move to the base 2 and let's see how the base 2 is in this war. So there is the B2, that is the headquarters 17 max, not the walls but the weapons are headquarters 17 max. So I'm going to destroy this base with the hard mode effect as well, just like I beat the B1 with hard mode effect as well. So I am taking combiner for safety reasons and have the same team which I beat the B1. I am going with the same team with B2 as well. 34,000 XP is the reward of B2. So as you see that too much easy ability point on the front side. There I deploy the Skylings and the Jetfire on the front side to collect the easy ability point from the front side as well. As you see, I use the Skylink ability to destroy the first mortar and the missile launcher. Now using Jetfire ability to destroy the left mortar. And then the right mortar. So almost four main weapons are easily destroyed by my bots. Then I deploy my all bots to the front side using Silver Bolt ability to the launcher, right and left launcher as well, and using blaster ability to pop up the front two outpost and the combiner as well, and also using the track ability to cover my bars and also soak the damage. Silver Bolt ability to the right laser, and then I jump with the E1, pop up the outpost bar which near to the headquarter, and also using track ability to cover the E1 as well. When the second outpost is pop up which is near to the headquarter, I deploy the combiner. There we go. I use the combiner ability to the laser, and as you see that the all outpost bar and the main weapons are destroyed by my bots. So B2 is easily destroyed with hard mode effect. I use same team which I used to the B1 and easily destroy first two base with hard mode effect as well. As you see that first two base destroyed by hard mode and 60 point rewards. Let's move to the base 3. So there is the B3, that is the weapons are almost headquarter 17 max. Even headquarter 17.5 weapons are deployed but which is not installed yet. You can see that the headquarter 17.5 weapons are not ready still. So it is max headquarter 17. Walls are not max, but the weapons and other things are all max. I replace the hotspot with the primal so I can make the way for my all bars, and also take combiner. One change, replacing hotspot with primal, and let's move to the B3, and I'm going to beat this base with normal mode, not going with hard mode. I'm going with the normal mode. Let's crush it. So there is a B1. I deploy primal to make the way for my Albats. Yes, and you see that in one jump he can destroy the max wall easily and make the way for my all bots so that my bots cannot split over to the walls. And then using Silver Bolt ability to the launcher, Jetfire ability to the motor as well. Combiner is coming using blaster ability to pop the left side outpost as well. Using silver bolt ability again to the launcher, and there the right side of the right outpost came out. Using jetfire ability to the left launcher as well. So using blaster ability again to pop up the last two outposts, then I deploy my combiner to soak the damage of last outpost part. So now I am going to use Elita ability to the back to the headquarters, where our two lasers are posted, and I am using E1 ability to that way and destroy two lasers easily. Again using E1 ability to the left motor as well, which is near to the headquarters. All weapons are destroyed, so B3 is beat by my bike squad as well. So B3 down. Let's move to the B4 now. So night terrors, their bases are specially designed by the Skylings and the Primal as well. You can see that the walls are max. The backside weapons are near to each other. So Skylings and the Primal is the keyboard for the B4. So I am going with the same team which destroy the B3, and then I am using the same team for B4. B1, B2 is beat by the same team. Now B3 and B4 is also beat by the same team. Let's go to the B4. Destroy the front motor with the jetfire. As you see that in one jump he can destroy the max wall easily. Now right motor destroyed by the jetfire as well. Now I deploy my all team to the right side using silver bolt ability to the launcher as well. Now using sky ability to destroy the outpost bot or game, which is the Chromia. I don't know the name of bot site, but that is the very dangerous outpost bot. You can see that the Chromia ability is very dangerous. All my bots stunned by his ability. Now I'm using the Skylink's ability to the center weapon, which are 2 cannon and 2 laser. Now I'm using the even jump to the left motor and the on launcher as well, and also pop up the outpost bot as well. Again using Silverbolt ability to the front motor as well. You can see that all weapons are almost destroyed by my Valk team. Only one laser is left, which is destroyed by Silverbolt as well. So Blaster minion can easily save my Silverbolt from the headquarter beam as well. So there I go, B4 is down. Now move to the last base as well, which is the B5. Well, B4 knight, B4 is the hard base for me, I think. First 3 bases are easily beatable. B4 is the dangerous one. Knight errors, B4 is the good design, and you see that B5 too much ability point on the front side, and I think that is the easily beatable by my Valk squad. Too much easy ability point on the front side as well. So I remove the primal to the hotspot and using
Combiner engaged.
skydive with Skylink. 2 changes: replacing primal with hotspot and replacing Skylinks with the skydive. I'm going with 3 flyer for B5 because there are too much easy ability point on the front side, so I can utilize my 3 jets on B5 as well.
Jetfire.
Combiner is also for safety reason. As you see, I deploy the jetfire to the left side, destroy the left motor,
Attack.
then destroy the ratchet, then deploy the Silverbolt
Reap
and
the whirlwind.
using his ability to the launcher, using skydive ability to the front
Reap
side
the
of the motor,
whirlwind.
and then deploy my all team with both ways to collect the all EP points. As you see that with my jets, I can destroy the 3 main weapon using Silverbolt with the game to the against the launcher as well. And both launchers. Now I'm using the Silverbolt ability. Skydive ability for the motor and jetfire ability to destroy the motor. So 3 jets can easily destroy the all main weapon of the base fight. So guys, if you like my Wars Attack videos, please share these videos to your teammates and your alliance mates, and you can also share this video to the any of your friends who claim the Transformers War, and comment on my video and tell me which videos you want to see in my next video. So there is the B5, which can easily beat by my 3 jets. So if you like my video, please comment and share my video to your alliance mate and your friend who play this game. And my war strategy, with my war strategy you can use my war strategy to beat those bases as well. So I deploy the combiner to soak the damage of the last two bars, which is near to the headquarters. Thanks for watching friendly guys. So keep watching me, keep subscribe me and like my channel, and don't forget to push the bell icon for my upcoming videos. So if my videos can help you in war, please comment on my video and suggest the videos which you want to see in the next round.
Abilities ready.
Thanks for watching my video. As you see that all main weapons are destroyed, only one laser left, which is destroyed easily by my remaining boss. And there I go. So B5 is easily beat by my Vox Squad. It's not the Vox Squad, it is the flying squad, because I had the 3 flyer in that squad. Thanks for watching my video guys. I am using these two waves with the hard mode effect and